Welcome to my gallery. I'm Wendy Jennings. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the sea creatures that we have here. We live in a beautiful seaside suburb with coastline that has all sorts of interesting things out there. And did you know that there's magicians out there? I want you to imagine that you are floating around in the ocean out near Granite Island in the shallow waters, looking for things to eat, little fish, prawns maybe. You float around a rock and in front of you is an animal just like you. So what do? You try and impress him, of course. Now you're just a grey, uninteresting looking colour at the moment, but you can turn yourself to orange. But he turns himself to orange. So you go red. He turns himself to red. So you add a few blue dots, and he does the same. So you strobe them, orange, red, blue. But he does the same. That didn't work. Okay, so you change the texture of your skin. Imagine having 9 or 10 noses all over your head. And then you turn yourself to green. And you look a bit like a rock with algae waving in the breeze. That impresses him, so off he goes into the blue yonder. So what are you? Well, you're a cephalopod. You're one of these guys. You're in fact a cuttlefish. A cephalopod means you have tentacles coming from your head. Pretty cool. You can swim in any direction. You have some jet propulsion, so you can go fast. If something's chasing you, you can actually put ink into that jet propulsion system and make a smoke screen so nobody can find you. Your skin is made of all these little pigmented cells, and they're controlled by the nervous system. Also, the nervous system can alter the texture of your skin, just to the thought. I think that's pretty cool. You have a really unusual eye, very different from eyes that we know, has a very highly developed retina and a lens system. You hunt at night for your food, but during the day you just rest, bury yourself down in the sand and have a snooze. Once a year you get together with lots and lots of other cuttlefish, and you need to be able to practice all your magical colours. You need to attract mates, you need to scare others away, and between you lay masses of spawn, because that's the next generation. Sadly, after an amazing life, it comes to a very abrupt end, and you die. Life for a cuttlefish is pretty short, but magical all the same. Just remember that cuttlefish invented disco pulsating lights long before man ever did. So let's go and look at another creature.